Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. So Doge did rally obviously in the last couple of weeks here into our resistance area for this wave 4. It currently doesn't need any adjustments to the wave count or any change in outlook. We have a crystal clear 3-wave move to the upside of the lows, and unless it can push higher with another high, I would not want to count this as a leading diagonal to the upside. It could, of course, always follow through to the upside, but anything can really happen. It's all about what should happen. And as long as we only have 3 waves up, and as long as we are below resistance, which is here the 7.9 cent level, the focus needs to be on lower. And I would not be surprised if Doge follows through and puts one more low in place. With one more low, however, and ideally below the June 22 low, I would be happy, because then Doge can restart the entire messy structure. The problem is, if let's say it starts a new bull run from here, I think it will be difficult for it, because it hasn't got that clear upside structure or the clear bottoming structure that you normally need to put a reliable low in place. I mean, what is this? It has not even rallied anywhere in 5 waves. So far, all the rallies here have been in 3 waves, A, B, C. Yeah, then also what was the next rally where it had a chance here? A, B, C. And all the rallies have just been corrective, yeah? And it now made a new low, not below the June low, but it made new local lows. And now it's all about, okay, is this already bullish? Is it turning around? I won't be able to say that until price breaks above 7.9 cents, which it of course can do, but I just don't have that evidence. And to be honest, it's only a 3-wave move to the upside pretty clearly. I would really have difficult. I mean, you can count everything as 5 waves if you want to. It's just not reliable at this stage. So would like to see, a first decent pullback now. And then we will have the truth. I mean, if it pushes higher once more, and we get 5 waves up, then I would count that as a leading diagonal. Then we have a first reliable signal that a low might be in. I would then count it as a wave 1 here, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and one more high and a wave 5. That's what we need to see for a first reliable signal, or at least more or less reliable signal, that a lasting low has been made. Without one more high, downside pressure is very high, and I think we are going to follow the path to the downside. This would be confirmed further, the yellow wave count, if Doge breaks below the last swing low at 6 cents and then below 5.8 cents. Ideally, it's pushing higher in a 5th wave to put in a reliable bottoming signal, yeah, that it formed a lasting low. Again, same game as with many other crypto charts at the moment. It's a bit of no man's land at the moment. One more high will give us 5 waves. If we have those 5 waves, I can formulate a support area for an ABC structure to the downside. If we get 5 waves up, it will have a higher probability of holding a higher low. And then we can look at this as an 1-2 trade setup, which could set price up to move higher in a 3rd wave. It's very interesting at the moment, but there are a few coins which already have 5 waves up, possibly complete, but the majority is still looking at only 3 waves up. Now, I said it on many other altcoin videos as well, because Bitcoin is still expected to make one more high in its current structure. I would give a lot of the altcoins also the chance to do this. Okay, it's just that without seeing it, I cannot confirm it, and then I cannot really calculate a reliable support area for the next pullback. I can only do that with the first 5 waves up. That's sort of the signal we need, and then the ABC structure to the downside will give us the parameters against which the next move up can happen. So I would then, if we get one more high, I would then use the fibs, draw them to the high of the 5 waves, and we're looking at a pullback area, standard retracement for this wave 2 between 6.3 and 5.8 cents. It's just obviously just an example. For example, if we rally in the 5th wave to the previous wave 4 high here, at 7 cents, then this is the value we would get. And if price then breaks below the 78.6 retracement, then we get some clarity that the bullish support area didn't hold and that the yellow count is most likely going to work out. So it's all about that one more high that we need. All eyes need to be on that, a high above the last swing high. So it would need to get above 7 cents. So I keep focusing on that. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.